I will be the one to cut, and then so that you can roll again another one, so that a little fast.
Oh, it's okay. What's the trouble though?
It's the one that I don't like because it's easy for me to. It's hard for me because it's getting smaller. This one.
Well, these ones, you know what? These are.
Why it's not getting something like? If you will, they said that just put in the fridge for a long so that it will not shrink.
Yeah.
Why you're not that one is not shrinking? It's not shrinking the dough.
Those ones are. Those pans are a little. I think those pans are smaller.
Oh.
See, look how they fit now. They're almost like they're too big.
Yeah.
Huh?
But it's okay. This is good.
Yeah,
the pan is smaller.
Yeah.
This is good so that the dough can.
No.
Oh, you will make a dough again?
No, but I still have that dough. I might as well use everything up.
So I will put more. This is easy. The only hard is the dough.
So I didn't feel comfortable to talk to them about it, and yeah, so we were investing.
There.
That's all.
That's all we can make. So I ended up, I 7 times the recipe.
Oh, a lot. Tart with raisins and
Coconut.
the flavor is a coconut, butter tart coconut with the raisins. That's the name.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Like that. Okay.
So how many more do you need?
2, 4, 6. Yeah, doing like that. And you'll do like this. Simple. Okay. Then I will make it done. And then this one we can put this. Mix it. You can see there's the raisins in there and shredded coconut. Just only half of this, and then here half again. Put some raisins in here.
I wonder if I have to really spray these.
Yeah.
I still.
Yeah, you don't need to put a dough. What do you mean? You don't need to put a dough anymore?
Yeah.
Okay.
Might be able to get to this one. Might be able to get one more. Now those pans, I'll put them in for. You want to bring that one up? Oh, you want?
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Okay, we will put in the oven now.
350 for 20 minutes.
350 for 20 minutes to cook the butter tart. We're here. Open the oven.
50. I think I'll wait 20 minutes.
It is already set it to 350. I'm almost done.
Gender and age, and every single person at one time has this like.
Sometimes it's overflow if you put a lot. Just put a little. Yep. Still have a lot left over. I'm doing it. Oh.
If they really, didn't like themselves and they liked that, then they would stay there. But everybody.
So I didn't make enough dough.
So we make how many? And one recipe, how much? How many muffin? How many tart?
2, 4, 6, 7.
7 times 12.
7 times that. 7 times the recipe, and that still was.
Oh. 7 recipes is this one?
7 times.
7 times? Oh.
I might have to make some more dough then.
Maybe I will add more on that.
No,
I will
they
place it.
will run over.
The other one in the middle is too small. I did this one. Oh, they will be run
Oh,
over.
I don't want them to run over, yeah.
Oh, I
Well,
know.
these pans probably will be easy. Well, they turned out good though.
This one is no raisins, almost. Oh, but it's okay. I will do it, but it's full. This one, I will remove some. It will be overflow. And we have a lot of butter tart. Yeah, this one is cooked. Yeah. It's fast because it's hard to remove later. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, can't. I will just touch side by side. Yeah. I know the strategy. You need to move when it's still very hot, so that later, if you remove, it's already loose. Yeah.
Well, these ones aren't as bad to clean, Dave. These pans.
All the butter tart is here. All done.
There. Done.
Yep. 7 recipes? Or 7 times 7 the recipe?
Yeah.
Nagkukuloko eh.
Maybe you should put a good piece of, or a good part.
Oh, this is good already because I eat. Yep. Yeah, this is tart and tea. That is good, right?
They don't taste good. Because look at the oil.
Yeah. Enjoy. Okay.
What's your story? What's your sign?